All right, well, Rob's here, and I guess folks in Kansas kind of going through what we used to, we're going through a couple of weeks ago.
There has been a lot of rain in a lot of places, that's for sure. Yeah. Take a look here. That's, somebody's backyard. Again, we've seen that here, so it's not just us that's been seeing all this rain, but man, oh man, it's been a strange summer, although around here, feeling very summer-ish right now. All right, we'll leave Kansas, come back home. 91 in Tallahassee, 93 right now in Valdosta. It's only noontime, and we have numbers this warm already. Going to get hotter as we go through the afternoon for sure. Yesterday, we made it to 97 degrees. No reason we don't get close to that in spots today. Record high for today, 99. I hope it's safe. All depends on when the clouds and the showers start cooking up, and there will be both clouds and showers in a few spots at least this afternoon. The eye camera looking west, not finding a whole lot of cloud cover until recently. Here come some of those puffy white ones, and we'll see a few more of those develop as we go into the afternoon. We're only at 88 degrees in Thomasville and in Moultrie. Same story in Perry, only 88 degrees at noontime. It's hot everywhere, even Apalachicola at 90. Bainbridge, we're at 91. Homerville, we're at 90 degrees. And let's start talking heat index. In Bainbridge, feels like it's 105. In Cross City, it feels like it's 102. Same story in Homerville. So real hot, real humid, real uncomfortable. These next 3 or 4 hours, a good time to be indoors if you can. Take a look at the temperature tracker. Yesterday showed those middle and upper 90s for Valdosta. Then numbers dropped off into the 70s, but quickly climbing right back to 90. And we're going to see these numbers continue to climb until we get more white and green on this satellite radar composite picture, which will happen in spots throughout the afternoon. There's nothing really organized across the southeast. You can sort of pick up this general clockwise circulation. It's an area of higher pressure anchored over the Gulf. We've got some energy in the middle and upper levels of the atmosphere, and we've got a pretty good recipe here for typical summer swelter, with maybe a couple of pop-up showers in the afternoon, the kind that bring 20 minutes worth of rain, then go away. This summer heat is going to stay confined right across the southeast for the next couple of days. Nothing really coming to change this setup for us. So I think today, tomorrow, Wednesday is pretty much all the same, and that's what Futurecast will point out for us. A couple of scattered showers at times, depending on where you are each of the next few days, but we're not talking all-day soakers. We're not talking heavy-duty rains. Maybe by Wednesday or Thursday, we can bring in a little extra cloud cover, a little extra shower activity, and hopefully that'll start a little sooner in the day to cool those temperatures down just a smidge. As far as the tropical weather goes, there's nothing cooking out across the Atlantic, the Gulf, or the Caribbean. I mean, nothing at all. Saturday morning had a little re-flare up of what used to be Dorian. Didn't last very long, got kind of absorbed by another system out in the middle of the Atlantic and is long gone. And for the time being, looks like our tropics should stay quiet. There's a look at the tide times for today. You can always double check these and all the information on WCTV.tv. It's our webpage. Weather on the waters today, west winds 5 to 12, seas 2 feet or less. We'll go with mostly smooth conditions in the bays. That UV index an 11 or 12. If you are going to be spending time outdoors, get the sunblock on. But these next couple of hours, not the time to be outdoors if you don't have to be. And if you do have to be, lots of cold water is what your body's going to need. Take breaks, find shade. This is dangerous kind of heat. We'll put the rain chances around 50-50 for a little bit later this afternoon. We're going to make the mid-90s before that happens. We're almost there. We could find some upper 90s mixed in too. 99 is the record. I think it's safe. But we could certainly see some more 96s, 97s out there. Mid-70s for us tonight, warm and muggy. The showers fizzle out after the sun goes down. All right, 3-day forecast time. Not much changing. We probably will see more clouds Tuesday, Wednesday, or at least Wednesday. So that way we can lower the temperatures just a little. But I think for most of us, hot, humid summer, it's here.
The swelter is going. All right. Thank you, Rob. Appreciate that. Well, coming up.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.